The era of bloated agent frameworks is ending. While others add layers of complexity, Hugging Face's smolagents takes a minimalist approach. It's a 1,000-line core designed for speed, transparency, and direct code execution. Today, we're hacking into how this library is streamlining the AI development landscape for the next generation of builders. Performance matters in the neon sprawl of AI. Smolagents delivers a 30% reduction in LLM steps by letting agents write Python instead of parsing JSON. With 26,000 stars and institutional backing from Hugging Face's co-founders, this isn't just a toy, it's a high-performance engine for your autonomous systems. The central innovation here is the code agent. Instead of the agent emitting a JSON blob for an executor to parse, the LLM generates executable Python snippets. This allows the agent to use native loops, conditionals, and data structures, solving complex tasks in a single turn that would take other agents 5. One of smolagents' strongest selling points is genuine model agnosticism. You aren't locked into a single provider. The library provides unified wrappers for the Hugging Face Inference API, OpenAI, Anthropic via Light LLM, and even fully local execution using the Transformers library or Ollama. Setting up a basic agent is incredibly clean. We import the code agent and a search tool, then define our model. Notice the max steps parameter? It's your kill switch to prevent runaway loops and protect your API credits while the agent explores the web. Switching providers is just as easy. Whether you're using Qwen via Hugging Face, GPT-4, or Claude via Light LLM, the interface remains consistent. This allows you to prototype with high-end models and move to cheaper, local models for production with minimal code changes. Installation is a one-liner. You can also grab optional dependencies like Gradio for a quick browser UI or E2B for production-grade sandboxed code execution. This modularity keeps your environment clean and your deployments fast. The architecture is built for transparency. In a world of black box frameworks, smolagents is a breath of fresh air. It's designed so you can actually understand the stack you're building on, making debugging significantly easier when things go sideways. Choosing between Code Agent and Tool Calling Agent is your first big decision. Code Agent is faster and cheaper for most tasks, but Tool Calling Agent offers a familiar JSON-based workflow for environments where code execution is strictly prohibited or audited. The real-world impact is clear. Smolagents is built to solve the bloat problem. By focusing on code execution, it bypasses the fragility of complex JSON parsing and allows the LLM to use its natural training on Python to solve problems more effectively. Smolagents is the minimalist's dream for AI development. It proves that you don't need a 1,000-page manual to build sophisticated multi-agent systems. If you want a framework that stays out of your way and lets you build fast, this is the one. The future of AI is modular and code-first. Don't get left behind in the bloat. Subscribe for more technical breakdowns and start building your own agents today at Effloow.com.